Hey everyone, after last week's video about building my backyard shed, a friend of mine asked me to explain my spirit level trick with a shim in more detail. And since the weather isn't great this weekend, I figured it's the perfect time to make a video about it. Oh, and if you stick around till the end, I will show you another clever trick for checking if your spirit level is actually accurate or if it's secretly messing up your projects. When I was working on my shed, I needed a 1% slope to make sure water drains away from the building. Instead of doing complicated math or guessing, I used a simple shim hack. Here's how it works. I taped a 2mm thick shim to my spirit level, exactly 20 cm from the edge. This means that when the level looks perfectly straight, one side is actually 2mm lower than the other, giving me a perfect 1% slope. Want a 2% slope instead? Just use the 4mm shim. Simple, right? Sure. There are fancy levels called inclinometers that let you adjust the slope, but if you are only doing this occasionally, why spend extra money when this hack works just as well? Yeah, okay. Now for the second trick I promised. Spirit levels are super delicate, and if you drop them, they can go out of alignment. But there's a quick and easy way to check if yours is still accurate. Place it on any flat surface. It doesn't have to be perfectly leveled as long as the bubble isn't touching the edges. Look at the bubble position. In my case, it's slightly to the right, meaning my table is a bit higher on that side. Now flip the level 180 degrees. If the bubble is still on the right, great, your level is fine. But if it shifts to the opposite side, your spirit level is out of calibration and can't be trusted anymore. This is a super handy trick that takes just a few seconds and can be done anywhere, anytime. Just when you doubt, test it. Did you already know these tricks, or was this something new for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more DIY tips, tricks and dad-approved hacks, make sure to subscribe. I post new video every week. See you in the next one.